Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to schedule an email in the new Outlook. Whether you want to send emails later or plan ahead, this quick guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the new Outlook on your desktop or browser and sign into your account. Step 2. Click on New Mail in the top left corner to start writing your email. Fill in the recipient, subject, and message. Step 3. Instead of clicking Send, click the drop-down arrow next to it and select Schedule Send. Step 4. A pop-up will appear. Choose the date and time you want the email to be sent. Step 5. Click Send at scheduled time, and that's it. Your email is now scheduled and will send automatically. Bonus tip. Need to make changes? Go to your Outbox or Scheduled folder, find the email, and edit or cancel it before the scheduled time. And that's how you schedule an email in the new Outlook. If this helped, be sure to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick and easy tech tips. See you next time!